Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon while you subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to refer to the membership options. There are 3 membership types are available: Elite, Emerald and Ruby. All the multi-bagger recommendations are available from members Emerald onwards. Usually the small updates I will give in my community tab. You can refer to my community tab. Actually few days back I given the priority list of multi-bagger and also the wealth creator, and also in my community post I mentioned that there will be a trend reversal, and exactly it was happened. While we are looking at the last trading session, you can see that in the early morning session it was opened in positive, it was traded in positive, and by end of the day it closed in negative. The Sensex was closed 52,793.62, which is almost 0.26% lower. But while we are taking overall the market, it was positive, so almost all of our portfolios was traded positive during yesterday's trading session. If we look at the foreign institutional investors, the net value is almost minus 3,780 crore, which means the sell value is higher than the buy value. So because the foreign institutional investors, they concentrated on selling, and the same time the domestic institutional investors, they were keep on buying that. The same amount of selling pressure absorbed by the domestic institutional investors. You can see here almost the buy value was 7,960.57 crore and the sell value was 4,790.95 crore. Almost the net value is 3,169.62. Why I am saying is we have to change our strategy which we were following last year because of upcoming recession. Because there will be recession, economical recession we may expect worldwide. Even though Indian economy is stable, there will be reflection of international economical recession which was well predicted in advance. It doesn't mean that we can make profit out of that. We have to make profit out of that. There is different strategy we have to follow. This is what we are going to follow on coming days. You may hold all our previous multi-bagger recommendations. All are fundamentally strong, but sometime what will happen, even if the fundamental is good for a company, in Indian stock market there are a lot of operators and there are a lot of gamblers are there. Usually they don't follow the fundamental. We experience in many of our stocks, so we have to take advantage of those gamblers, how they play. So we will also play on their way and we will try to utilize the upcoming recession. So you may expect every week 5 to 6 stocks which are fundamentally excellent, but these stocks will be at value buy zone. Don't keep those stocks for long time. As soon as we reach a reasonable profit, take the exit and move to the another stock. This is what we have to do there. You have to distribute your fund. Maybe you will be having a question, sir, I am holding some stocks right now, what we have to do? No need to worry. As I told you, there will be a trend reversal on coming days and we may expect another 30 to 40% rally in the index, which was well predicted in advance. And I told very clearly that the Ukraine and Russia war will get extended because that is well scheduled war against Russia and it is going as scheduled by the European Union. Now Ukraine move offensive and on coming days we will hear the news that Ukraine started attacking the Russian territory. Even in my previous community post, if you look my community post from February 20, that means 4 days before the war was started, I mentioned these things. You may refer to all those community posts. So this war will create a recession and surely that will reflect in Indian economy as well. If you see the recent statistics, Indian trade deficit is getting increased. Now it is almost above the buffer zone. It doesn't mean that Indian economy will get crashed. What I mean is Indian economy will revive on coming quarters, but the major operators in Indian stock market will utilize that opportunity to manipulate the index and they will make profit out of that. So we have to move one step ahead to them, then only we can make the profit on coming months. So that's the reason we are changing our strategy. We are holding many stocks maybe with 20% or 25% loss that will be covered on coming months because there will be a rally we may expect by end of May. Even last month also I explained very clearly that by end of May there will be a rally we can expect on coming days. At the peak of that rally we can take exit of those stocks with a reasonable profit, and we will divert the fund to the new stock, and we will keep on rotating. Don't keep the extra muscles, don't keep any sentiments. Once you are at a reasonable profit above 30%, exit from the stock. Don't think about the company's fundamental, because the Indian stock market will unstable for another 6 to 7 months after the rally. But in the same time, you have to focus on the wealth creator, so you will get the wealth creator at the cheapest price. You can keep on accumulating the wealth creator stocks, but always make sure that you are investing up to 25% on the wealth creator stocks, and the remaining 75% should be on short-term strategies, which will give you more gain, and there will be a proper cash flow. Please don't invest in 1 or 2 stocks. That's the reason I am saying every week there will be 5 to 6 stocks I will recommend from hereafter. After this video, I will update the new stocks. Try to distribute the fund as much as possible. Don't take 1 or 2 stocks. Always try to distribute your fund, the available fund. That will give you more cash flow and more comfortness on coming weeks. As soon as you reach any of these stocks with a reasonable profit, take complete exit. Don't keep any sentiments. Don't hold any stocks further. Just take exit and move to the another stocks, and always try to distribute the fund. Every week there will be 4 to 5 stocks I will recommend, and this will not be a fundamental analysis, because I am recommending only good stocks which are fundamentally strong. Because since I am recommending 5 to 6 stocks every week, I cannot give you a detailed video, because we are not looking 100 or 200% return, and we are not going to hold it for a long time. Maximum up to 3 months we will hold. Within that we will get minimum 30 to 50% profit, and we will take the exit and we will move to another stock. So this is our strategy we have to follow in coming days, and you can refer to my community post, earlier community post, and all the multi-bagger recommendations are available from members Emerald onwards, and the elite members, they will receive the access to the wealth creator stock series. And please don't wait for the exit call. As you reach the stock in a comfort profitable zone, sell it. Don't keep any sentiment and move to the another stock. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and kindly stay tuned for the exclusive video for the members Emerald onwards. So thank you so much. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.